This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by Donna Gannon. One of Ironton's most intriguing homes is available to purchase. The big maintenance items have been done on this historical home, and all that is needed is your personal stamp. You will be awed by the space and large rooms this property has to offer and the beautiful woodwork and fireplaces. This home features 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 2 kitchens, a parlor, several living spaces, a back staircase and a beautiful wrapped porch. You will find 3 finished floors in this home and of course the tower on all 3 floors. These sellers, if needed, with an accepted offer are offering to leave money in an escrow account for the painting to be completed on the exterior of this historical home. There is also an inground pool that seller says is in working condition but has not been opened for the past 3 seasons. Make this historical home your new showplace. Call today for more information.